Guys, well, we've been talking about adjectives all week. Hope you liked the video review about what an adjective is. Remember, adjectives describe nouns. So look for the noun in the sentence, you can find the adjective. So let's look through here. And we've also talked about commas in a series. So let's talk about commas in a series at the same time. So number one, we see a brown rabbit and a tall cactus in the desert. Well, rabbit is a noun, and what kind of rabbit is it? It's brown. So we're going to circle brown because it describes the rabbit. Cactus is a noun, it's a thing. Describing the cactus is tall. Now, desert's a noun, but it doesn't really have anything describing it. So all week we've been underlining the nouns and then circling the adjectives. Let's keep going. Jamie draws green lizards, insects, and birds. Well, in lizards, insects, and birds are things. So, and there are three things in a series. So let's put a comma after lizards, a comma after insects and birds. And what describes the lizards, insects, and birds is green. They're all green. Green, lizards, insects, and birds. Number three, some students test the soil, air, or water. Well, students are testing the soil, air, or water. There's three things in a series: soil, air, and water. So let's put some commas between it. There's nothing really describing the soil or the air or the water. So let's go back to students. Some students. So some tells how many students. It describes students. Shing shares the cold water with Lucinda, Joe, and Amy. Shing is a person, but doesn't really describe that person. Shares the cold water. Well, water's a noun, and cold describes it. With Lucinda as a person. There's three people here. Lucinda, Joe, and Amy. Okay, and number five. Our visit to the desert lasted 3 hours and 10 minutes. The desert doesn't really describe the desert, but we know that the trip lasted how many hours? 3 describes hours, and how many minutes? 10 describes minutes. So again today, you are going to be doing page 130. You're going to be looking for the adjective and the noun. It actually asks you this time to write the adjective that describes the noun. So on the line, first I would find the noun. Put the noun beside the word noun and put the adjective beside the word adjective. So there's an adjective that describes one noun in each sentence. So good luck, finish it, put it in the inbox, and get started on your enrichment.